channel. Thank you so much for coming back. Today's video is going to be a review on this gorgeous unit that I'm rocking today. Y'all know that I love a wig, and I'm going through a journey with my hair, so I'm letting it rest as I take care of it and protect it. And especially because it's winter time, I'm about to up my wig game to protect my hair throughout the crazy times of winter. So today's video is sponsored by Gorgius Hair. I have actually worked with this company before, Gorgius Hair, and I had a gorgeous unit from them. And if you don't remember what I'm talking about, I'll leave a picture here or a little clip to jog your memory. So I have actually worked with this company before, and I love their hair. So when they contacted me and wanted to work with me again, I was like, yes. Especially with Christmas coming, I need another everyday wig. And their wigs are everyday wigs. They're easy to install, easy to style, and they're basically just get up and go type wigs, okay? You don't have to do the sleeking and the plugging and the baby hairing. You don't have to do any of that. These are just grab, put on, zhuzh a little bit, and you're good to go. So if you want to see how I was able to achieve this beautiful look, then please continue to watch. All right, family, so let's get started here. So I have our box of hair here. This again is from Gorgius Hair. So I've actually worked with this company. If you all remember, the unit I got from them was so beautiful, so beautiful. I've been wearing it on repeat. So again, this is our box. Let's go ahead and open it. One of the reasons I really love this company is that their hair is very lightweight and it doesn't give you that wig vibe. But come on, every single hair company since this like wig cap, look at that. Look at me. That's why I come with my own wig cap, okay? Because this matches better than this. This is ridiculous. However, this doesn't really need a wig cap because it is a bang, like I said. And I guess it does just to protect your hair underneath and to also, I guess, keep your hair together. Anyway, here's the bag. Cute little bag to keep your wig in whenever you take it off. Just, you know, wash it, clean it, put it back in here. And it also has their name on it so you can remember what wig it was, right? All right, so this is our unit, a cute little bang unit. So the color on this is 1B, which is a natural color. And as you can see, the bang is already cut. However, I am almost 100% sure that I'll have to tweeze and tweak this myself. Again, it already comes with an elastic band. It's already attached to it, so you don't have to do the work. You can choose to use it or not to use it. It's up to you, but the elastic band gives it security. It also comes with the regular adjusters. It has a comb back here, and it also has 2 combs in the front. All right, so let's go ahead and try this on. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna connect these two just so they're not like, you know, flying all over the place. The reason I like this kind of hair is because it's very low maintenance. And what do I mean by that? This is the kind of wig you can just take and put on and go. You don't have to curl it, you don't have to plug it, you don't have to do baby hairs, you don't have to do anything. And that's one of the reasons I like their hair as well. It was the same way, or it is the same way with the other wig that I got from them. All I do is put it on, spray it down with a little bit of water, zhuzh it a little bit, and I'm ready to go. And I always get compliments on that wig. So, okay, the great thing about this hair is that it has a lace portion in the middle there. When you comb your hair down, it's gonna look like your real hair because it has the lace. So you can choose to plug this more, which I personally wouldn't. I can see here that it's already been bleached. So again, nothing needs to be done to this. It's already been done, right? And then if you have your cap that already matches your scalp or your skin tone, you're good to go. All right, so let's go ahead and try this on. So how I like to do it is, this is the front of my wig. I like to reach in here, grab the elastic band. I guess the elastic band is very important for this kind of wig because you're not laying it down with got-to-be glue and you kind of need a way to secure it. So this is very important. All right, so I just grab the elastic band. I hold it like this, bend my head, put the elastic band on like so, right? Grab the bottom of the wig, pull it down, and then I move on to fixing the front of it. And then this is when you can go ahead and put all of the clips in if you would like. I always do the back clip because that's very important. So what I like to do is I like to take the back clip, right? and then put it underneath the elastic band and the rest of my hair. That gives me a little more security. And then for the front of the hair, I'm gonna go ahead and adjust it. Pull all of the hair out of the bang, right? Like so. And then make sure it fits, which it does. See that? All right, family, so this is what the wig looks like on. There's not much that I need to do. As you can see, it's already been cut. Like I said, down here has been cut. What you can do to this wig is you can actually either leave it at this length, cut it a little shorter, cut the bangs if it's too long for your eyes, or you can just leave it as is and you're good to go. But I'm gonna go ahead and style it a little bit. So I have my flat iron here. I already have it plugged. So I'm gonna grab my brush everything out. And look at this, y'all. I literally don't need to do anything to this. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use my flat iron to kind of just go through it a little bit, because as you can see, it's not super straight in every area. So a bob like this needs to be almost to perfection, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and use my flat iron, use my brush, and just kind of brush through it, and then try to give it, you know, a little bump as I go, like so. Nothing crazy. And then for the front, I'm gonna go ahead and gather it, grab my flat iron, just give it a little bit of bump to make it feel a little fuller. The hair is really soft, y'all, and this is 100% human hair, 100% human Brazilian hair. It feels very soft, and like I said, it's very lightweight, and it's just easy to style. And as you all can see, I'm not doing anything fancy, y'all. I'm literally just grabbing it and just passing my flat iron through in a bumpy motion like that. So at the end, I try to give it a little bit of a bump to give it that bob look. I was just trying to get rid of those little creases that it came with from the packaging. Other than that, there's not much that needs to be done. All right, family, so this is literally it. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my makeup, put on some lashes, some earrings, some jewelry, and I'll be right back. All right, family, so here we are. This is literally the easiest wig install I've ever done. Like, it requires absolutely no work, as you saw. All you do is grab your wig, put it on, comb it out, make sure to adjust it a little bit, and if you need to, you know, just go through it with your flat iron a little bit, you can do that, but that's it. And then once you do that for the first time, you don't have to do it again because it's already styled. So if you have like a dummy head or a mannequin head, you can take it off, set it on it, and go about your day. And in the morning or whenever you have to go out, take it, put it back on, and go. The reason I really like this company is, again, their wigs are very lightweight, they're very affordable, and they're also very easy to style. We're all busy, especially me around this time. I am super busy and I don't have time to slick baby hairs. Now, I will do it once in a while, but you just need that everyday wig that you can just put on, go to the grocery store, go to church, go wherever, and still look good and look like you put a lot of effort, but you didn't. You know what I mean? So this wig gives me that, and even the previous one, the curly one, gives me that as well. Put it on, zhuzh it up, and go. So if you all love this wig and you want to try it out, I can say that I love this company because I have in fact worked with them before, and I highly recommend you trying these wigs out, especially this one. If you do like the wig and would like to try it out, don't forget to check out the description box below. I will have the link and all the information about the hair, and most importantly, I'm gonna have a discount code for my viewers only my family. All right, so make sure to check out the description box, use my discount code to help you purchase. Thank you all again so much for your love and support. I love you all, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.